Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to play chess.com by yourself using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you want to use. But in this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome. Now just go ahead and search for chess.com. And then after that, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have an account, just go ahead and create one by clicking the sign up button. And after that, once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click here at the Learn section at the left side of your screen. And you want to click on Classroom. So now, once you are here on Classroom, you can just go ahead and play with yourself. Okay? But you can also do voice and video record, load several games at once, quickly save to library collection, powerful room management tools for coaching. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on New Room here at the upper right side of your screen. So now you can just go ahead and start playing. So you can move the white as and the black. Okay, so you can just go ahead and play by yourself. What you can also do here is to just go ahead and invite a friend so that they can watch you while you are playing with yourself. Okay, so that's it. That is how you play by yourself on chess.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.